Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your investment portfolio with eTrade. Begin by logging into your eTrade account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on Portfolio to access your investment portfolio overview. Take a moment to review your current holdings and performance metrics. Identify any underperforming assets within your portfolio. Research the reasons behind their poor performance. Consider the market trends impacting those specific assets. If you decide to sell, click on the asset you wish to remove. Select the sell option and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Next, explore alternative investment options that might align with your goals. Use the Research tab to discover new stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Look for investments that show potential for growth based on recent data. Once you have identified a promising asset, click on its profile for detailed information. Analyze the charts, news, and analyst ratings provided. When ready, return to the main trading platform. Select the buy option for the chosen asset. Enter the amount you wish to invest and adjust any settings as necessary. Confirm your order and review the summary before submitting. After your investment is made, keep an eye on its performance over the following weeks. Consider setting alerts for significant price changes. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Continue educating yourself on market trends and investment strategies over time. Stay informed about any relevant changes in economic conditions. With consistent monitoring and adjustments, you can work towards recovering your investment portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.